Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, we didn't meet for a whole year. Don't ask what is this. And this is my future red camera. So yeah, anyway, we are going to create this and that in our tutorial today. We are going to use After Effects to create this text, to animate it a little, and after animating we're gonna import this into a Premiere Pro project, and this is gonna be dynamic. You can add any text in your Premiere Pro timeline or sequence, and if you update anything in After Effects, it's gonna update in this Premiere Pro sequence. This is what we are going to learn today. And if you are already liking what are we going to do, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go and see how it goes. Okay, so as you saw in the beginning of the video, this is what we are going to recreate. It's very short, and let's keep on digging. Okay, so first of all, let's create our text layer and put some text in it. So I'm going to name it tutorial. Make your box a little bit smaller, just not too small because your text is going to disappear. Set correct height. I think I'm gonna go with 100 because it will be too big for my liking. And after that, you can select colors, whatever color you wish. This is optional, but if you want to use your stroke, you can do it, and this makes your text to pop up a little bit more. So I will use all fills over stroke, so my stroke doesn't go over my text, as you can see. So I'm gonna use like 10, and I will select all fills over stroke, so it will be behind our text. After that, we are going to need some effects to pop up it a little bit more. So I am using drop shadow effect. After drop shadow effect, you can't see it properly, but maybe this gives you a better vision. So I'm going to set this to 230-ish and distance around 7. Maybe I passed it too much, so I'm going to make it 30. And this pops up a little bit more. So after we finished with our basic text, we have to do a little bit in the scaling and opacity settings. First of all, what you have to do, click Y and put your anchor point on the bottom of the text. Position wherever you want to. I'm gonna position this in the center of my sequence. And now click S, hold Shift key and click T. You're gonna see the opacity and the scale parameters right here. So click stopwatch on your opacity, go 3 frames and put this to 0. So it will appear and won't be instantly in the full opacity. Make this easy ease. Go 1 frame backwards, put the scale to the 20, and after 10 frames, put this to the 100, and put this to the easy ease keyframes as well. So this looks a little bit slow, so I'm going to shorten this. This looks better. And one more thing to do, you just click on motion blur, so it gives this very nice motion blur then your text is appearing. As you can see, it feels better. Okay, so one more thing what we should do, in my opinion, to save our computer resources, just click this icon, crop area. Oh, it's a region of interest. So select the smallest portion of your text and make your text as wide as your composition. So if you type more than 1 word, these 2 words won't get cut off. And this will help to save your computer resources because the composition that we are importing in Premiere Pro won't be that big. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Then click to the composition and crop to the region of interest. And this is what we have, simple as that. And one last thing that you have to do, just rename this whatever you want. I will name text, and click Ctrl S or Command S on your computer, and let's go to the Premiere Pro. So after opening Premiere Pro, you just simply drag and drop your After Effects file, and you will get this import After Effects composition. You just select the proper one. This one was for the video that you saw in the beginning, and this is the one we created now. So just select this one, and that's it. You have imported your pop-up text. So if we drag this to our sequence, you're gonna see that this is a tutorial for filmmakers. Hooray! Simple as that. Just delete this for now. One thing I suggest you to create a different folder for your pop-up text animations, because it will fill up your project pretty fast. So let's name this pop-up animation and drag this here. Open this folder. So this folder is only for our text. This is how it looks. So if we have some text that we want to animate, or if I'm saying something like tutorial for filmmakers in different words, this is how we are going to use our text animation. As you can see, we have this effect controls, and this is pop-up text and master pop-up text. So you just click on master pop-up text, delete text you don't need. Let's say this is just a tutorial, and now the magic happens. You just hold Alt key on your computer, drag and drop to another layer, and you have a different copy. So here you can create text like 4, hold Alt and drag one more copy. So we have for filmmakers. You can readjust this, and your text will look like something like this. Tutorial for filmmakers. This looks a little short. Filmmakers. It could be even longer. Yeah, and this is what we have, and what I said that it fills pretty quickly. As you can see, when you simply make a different copy, you're gonna fill your project pretty fast. So don't forget to make a different folder and put everything for these subtitles in your desired folder. So that's pretty much it. This is the tutorial that I wanted to show to you, and if you really like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you think that your friend might need this tutorial, please share it with them, and have a great day. Bye! Welcome back to my channel. And let's keep on going and see how good is it, I guess. Today we are going to create pop-up text. Hi.